In this lesson, we will learn about Joystick and put it into practice. Joystick is a manipulator control device in the form of a handle fixed on a movable hinge. It can be deflected in two planes of X and Y axes. Joystick is used to control robots, drones, servos, music volume, brightness, for navigation in video games, and in many other projects. Now, let's look at the device in more detail. Joystick is a module with two potentiometers and one tact button. Everything is controlled by the stick. The tilt of the stick rotates the potentiometers and changes the output voltage, allowing you to track the degree of deviation of the stick from the center point. If you release the stick, it will return to the center position. In this position, the values of X and Y are equal to 512. By moving the stick only in the X-axis, we rotate only one of the potentiometers. The same goes for the Y-axis. But when we move the stick otherwise, we rotate both potentiometers, and we can receive their values separately through the corresponding pins of this module. They are designated as VRX and VRY. Also, next to these contacts, there are power contacts, 5V and GND. They are common for the two potentiometers and for the button. Switch pin is the output of the button, from which a digital signal comes out only when we press the stick. Now let's move on to practice. We will try to control the LEDs with a joystick. The connections are as follows. Connect 5V and GND to the 36 Arduino power module. Now connect VRX and VRY to analog pins, VRX to A2 and VRY to A1. Also connect switch to Arduino 2 pin. Now we connect the LED, module number 16. L1 is connected to pin 5, L2 to pin 13, L3 to pin 6, and also GND to GND. Now supply the power to Arduino. VIN terminal must receive plus 6.5 volts from the power supply, and GND should be connected to the minus of the power supply. The connection is ready. Now open the Arduino program and write the commands. Joystick X-axis, joystick Y-axis, joystick button, LED on pin 13, LED on pin 5, LED on pin 6. Set mode of each pin, read the state of the button, turn on and off the LED, read value of X-axis, read value of Y-axis, convert X value to another range, convert Y value to another range, turn on the LEDs with different brightness. Now, let's run the code. And so, what do we see? We can control the brightness of the LEDs with a joystick. Congratulations! We have gone through all the basic principles of the joystick and have put it into practice.